Success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. This is the quote given by Winston Churchill in 1971, and our today's topic as well. So, good afternoon everyone. I'm Ankit Sharma. Again, I'm here with my new topic. So, today's topic is success is not final, failure is not fatal. We always think that whenever we are going through a massive amount of pain in our life, which occurred through failure and or disaster in our life, we think that success is the life. But think, without failure, success will never come to you. Failure is a way to learn from your mistake. People think failure is the worst thing that can happen to them. They think that failure is one thing that they can't overcome. Failure is far fatal. If you think that you by blaming yourself you leave all the thoughts, then it is wrong. If you blame yourself, then how could you improve in your life? We get to know the value of success only after the failure in our life. Only after we see failure in our life. Am I right? Am I right? Yes, I am. We know the taste of success is sweeter, but how we know? Because we taste the failure in our life that is bitter. If you have failure or success in your life continuously, then what happens? Your life will become monotonous. It's just like a straight line. There is a straight line in a monitor screen when a person was died. That straight line. Your life became that straight line if your life became monotonous. It is very necessary to have zigzag line to survive in your life. It is very vital that you should have ups and downs in your career, in your life, to enjoy the life, to enjoy the taste of life, to get the best essence of the life. Never take things for granted in your life. Nothing is permanent in life. If you are failure today, it doesn't mean that you are not going to be successful tomorrow. And if you are successful today, it doesn't mean that you will not fail tomorrow. So things will never change. Only for those who continue effort, who are consistent in their work. But people who are not consistent, then things will change for them. If bad thing is happen in your life, it means that good thing is just around the corner to you. It is just that you have to wait. अगर आपके साथ आपके लाइफ में कुछ बुरा हो रहा है, इसका मतलब ये है कि अच्छी चीज़ सिर्फ आने ही वाली है. आपको सिर्फ इंतज़ार करना है. कोई भी चीज़ ज़िंदगी में परमानेंट नहीं होती. वक्त है, गुज़र जाएगा. अगर अच्छा वक्त है तो बुरा वक्त भी आएगा, और बुरा वक्त है तो अच्छा वक्त भी आएगा. सक्सेसफुल एक स्टेप है, पर वो फाइनल स्टेप नहीं है आपकी लाइफ का. और अगर आप फेल हुए हो आज, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि कल आप सक्सेसफुल नहीं हो सकते. सो सक्सेस इज़ नॉट फाइनल एंड फेलियर इज़ नॉट फेटल. थैंक यू.